In this video, you'll learn how to claim a new particle Argon and create a new particle mesh network from the Particle mobile app. Before you begin, you'll need the following items: a particle Argon, an external antenna, a micro USB cable, an iOS or Android device with the Particle mobile app installed. First, plug the provided antenna into the Argon on the UFL connector labeled Wi-Fi. It's on the left side of the Argon, just above the name. Next, plug the USB cable into the Argon. When the device first starts up, it should blink blue. That means it's in listening mode and is ready to be configured. If your device is not blinking blue, hold down the Mode button to the left of the USB connector for about 3 seconds. For the next few steps, you'll need Bluetooth on your phone to be enabled. If it's not, navigate to the Settings section of your device and make sure it's turned on. Open the Particle mobile app. Log in and you'll see a listing of your existing devices. Click the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new device. Select the Mesh option. On the next screen, click the Argon option. If your device is powered up and blinking blue, you're ready to click Next. Particle Mesh devices use Bluetooth and a special data matrix printed on your device for setup and configuration. Click on the Scan Sticker button and give the app permission to access your camera if you haven't already. Hold the phone's camera a few inches above the sticker to scan it. Once the app is able to read and decode the data matrix, it will automatically pair with your device over Bluetooth in order to continue the configuration process. Once pairing is complete, you may see a screen recommending that you flash your Argon with the latest device OS. The Particle device OS is updated frequently, and if we have a new version available for your Particle Mesh device, you'll be able to update it here. This process will take a few moments as various parts of the device OS firmware are downloaded and installed, and you should expect to see your Argon restart a few times along the way. Once your device is up to date, you'll be asked if you want to use your Argon in a mesh network. While it's possible to use any Particle device in standalone mode, we're setting up a mesh network with this new device, so click Use in Mesh Network. Since this is your first device and mesh network, you'll see a screen indicating that this new network is free. Click Next, and then click Next again to connect your gateway device to the device cloud. The next step will be to get your Argon connected to a local Wi-Fi network. Click Next, and the app will begin scanning for available networks. Select your network, enter its password, and click the Connect to Device Cloud button. Once you've provided a password, the app will set the Wi-Fi credentials on your device, connect to the Particle device cloud, and claim the device to your account. Once done, you'll be asked to give your device a name. The next step is to set up a new mesh network. You'll be asked to give the network a name. Give it a name you'll recognize later. Next, you'll set a password for the network. Keep this somewhere safe, as every new device on the network will need to know this password to join it. It's recommended that your mesh network passwords be different from the password you use with your Particle account. With a password set, the mobile app will create the network, update the Argon with network info, and configure it as a gateway. Once that's done, you can add another device to the network or start exploring your new gateway device. Congratulations! You've configured your first Particle Argon and created a mesh network.